so let's move forward here with our first question of the day. We always want to begin, per usual, with the question sentence. So we see here that it says, what is the area of the pool? And just like in the previous class or the previous times that we've talked about this, the moment that you see one of those hyper-specific geometry words, like area in this case, we always want to ask ourselves, well, what shape? Because remember, depending on the shape, the formula for the area might be different. So with that said, everybody, in the chat box, what is the shape that we're dealing with? We know that we're dealing with, yep, right there, a rectangle. So we know that we're dealing with the area of a rectangle. So before I even continue, I'm going to remind myself, that I want area, and I know that the area of a rectangle is going to be length times width. And I'll just have that written down because guess what? If I want the area of this rectangle, it really looks like all I need is the length and the width. If that's given to me, great. If not, I'll have to figure out what to do. So it says that the swimming pool is 20 meters long, 8 meters wide. So with that said, nice and easy, the length is going to be 20 and the width is going to be 8. So we have that together. So the area is going to be 20 multiplied by 8. 20 times 8 is going to land on 160, but that's not what I care about. Let's go ahead and remind ourselves what the units are going to be for this solution. What are the units going to be? Yeah, they're going to be meters squared. So you can say m squared or meters squared. Either way, it means square meters, so you're good. But there we are. There we go. And we are all set. The correct answer for the first question is B, 160. So feels like a pretty straightforward question, but let's go ahead and turn our attention over to trying another one out.